energy supply is fully secure and stable. There is no shortage of petrol, diesel or LPG anywhere in the country. All supplies are normal. This is the latest information that we are getting. The information coming in suggests that misinformation and panic-driven narratives are completely unfounded. This is what the center has asserted. My colleague Sagarika gets us more.
And Priya, most importantly, the government is countering the misinformation that has been doing arounds on India's oil story, especially how many days of oil stocks are left. There were two numbers, if you remember, were doing the rounds. One was 9 days and the other was 74 days. For now, the government has put out the full and the complete picture. The government in its latest, PIB release says, and I quote, misinformation has been circulating, including through some articles and social media videos suggesting that only 6 days of stocks are there in the country. India has 74 days of total reserve capacity, and actual stock cover is around 60 days right now, including crude stocks, product stocks, and dedicated strategic storage in the caverns, even as we enter the 27th day of the Middle East crisis. Nearly 2 months of steady supply is available for every Indian citizen, regardless of what happens. So here's the most important part. The government is assuring that nearly 2 months of steady supply is available for every citizen, regardless of what happens. And the government also says next 2 months of crude procurement has also been secured. Very important. The government is also saying that 2 months of crude procurements has been secured, and India is completely secure for the next many months, and the quantity in the strategic caverns storage becomes secondary in such a supply situation. Therefore, any representation that India's reserves are depleted or there are insufficient stocks should be dismissed with disdain that it deserves. So here is the government sending out an assurance with regards to India's oil story.
So it's not just in days that we have strategic reserves for, it extends up to months. So anybody who has gone into a state of panic, which is quite rampant all over India right now, the government seeks to reassure there is nothing to worry about. Remember, yesterday as well in the all-party meeting, Centre had said all the members of the CCS were present. They had assured everything is under control. Yes, there is crisis, but we are also putting in plans in place to tackle that crisis. Thank you, Sagarika, for joining us with that clarification coming in from the government. We're taking a very quick break, but stay tuned because